Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. And today I want to showcase to you a Tamiya RC car. It's a 1/10 scale four-wheel drive buggy car, and it's the Plasma Edge 2 iridescent purple and green painted body. So this comes with a pre-painted body that will look like it's purple or green depending on the angle that you see it as. The TT-02B is the TT-02 buggy version of the chassis. The TT-02 chassis is mainly used on the on-road cars, touring cars that Tamiya makes. So this is a four-wheel drive shaft-driven chassis. It's very similar to the TT-02, just with some minor changes here and there. So let's go ahead and look at the box. It comes with the torque tune motor plus ESC. And then on the side here, you can see a diagram of the chassis, the insides. Most notably, you'll have these shocks, which are different colors compared to the touring car version. And also, because it's a buggy, it's going to have these spike tires. So that will allow for grip on dirt and sand, just not on like gravel or concrete that touring cars normally run on. You get a variety of different parts that are included, that's listed down here. And let's see, this is, let's see what's on the other side. And here you're going to see a couple of option parts that are suggested. You can obviously get different parts depending on how you want to customize the car. So things like basic upgrade parts like the ball bearings, aluminum wheel hub. You can also go into tires and suspension with the aluminum damper set, or enhance the performance of the transmission using the ball differential set, the gearbox joint, and the universal shaft. So what else do you need? You need a radio transmitter, you need a servo, the ESC is included, normally you'll need that. The receiver you'll need separately, a battery and battery charger. Alright, so let's see what is exactly inside this box. Okay, all right. So what we have here is the first thing that you see is the pre-painted body. It's a polycarbonate body, so it's very light. Yep, it's backed in black on the underside, but it is, and I'm just trying to rotate the body so that you can see, but it's purple, and then it'll look like it's green. Very cool effect. Same as the wing. Yep, it looks green and purple. And then all of this is all attached here, so I'm not gonna, these are unique to the box. So these look like the wheel hubs or something, I don't know exactly. You get your basic TT-02 parts. This is the battery cover, the motor cover, gearbox. This is the motor mount, ESC cover actually as well. So, and then you get your arms, I believe, bumper sets. No, these are the arms, sorry. These are the arms for the TT-02B chassis. More parts. So these are unique to the TT-02B. They don't come with the regular TT-02. Then you have your wheels. These are black wheels, so, oops. And here you get a lot of the parts bag, so ABC, the grease, the oil shock, the motor. You get your electronic speed controller. So I believe this is a TT-02B, which can run brushless as well. You get your spike tires, so that's really cool. You get your tub chassis, so this is the TT-02 chassis. Your antenna, I would actually go with a bright color antenna just so that it's easy to see when you're driving it in the distance. Then you get your safety manuals, your body decal instructions, the actual assembly kit instructions. So this is something that you'll have to build yourself, or I will be building it. And then lastly, you get your decals. So the Plasma Edge 2 decals. So yeah, that's all it is that's in the box. It's really cool. Can't wait to actually build this one day. But yeah, the most impressive thing I think is that the Tamiya provides you with the iridescent body that's pre-painted and pre-cut. So really you just have to build a chassis, put this on, and start driving it. Very, very cool. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this, and wherever you are, stay safe and stay healthy, and look for more content in the future. Thank you.